Hi ladies, I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach. If this is your first time here, I'm the most efficient dating coach at giving love advice and getting people together. Please subscribe if you'd like to be able to see my content often. Today's video is for our lady that unfortunately kind of maybe messed things up a little bit and you were acting a little bit needy and caused your guy to lose attraction, kind of pull away. And you're like, oh, did I blow this one? And I've got some good news for you, my friend. You probably didn't blow it. Actually, 100% you didn't blow it, and let me explain why. There's two outcomes going to come from this. Once we use my strategy, he's either going to like disappear big time because he's already made up his mind and quite frankly didn't like you, which is fine. Or the guy that actually already made up his mind that he does like you, does care about you, once you execute this plan, he's going to come running back towards you because the guy that really likes you is not that easily shakeable. The line I love is you can't say the wrong thing to the right person, right? So you can't say the wrong thing to the right person. But we can kind of scare him a little bit by being needy.
Yeah.
Great.
Chris. Chris.
I'll pick you up at noon.
Chris. Chris.
Awesome, I'm busy!
So here is the exact one sentence that is going to solve this entire problem for you. And here it is. I was wrong to request X, whatever you requested. You were right to be annoyed. I am sorry. That's 3 sentences, excuse me. So let me say that again. I was wrong to request X. You were right to be annoyed. I am sorry. Why are these 3 sentences going to change everything so freaking quickly? And go try it. Men do not get to hear I am wrong from a woman very often. It's not words that typically come out. When we do hear it, it's like we just won the Super Bowl, my friends. Like this guy's going to be like, oh my God, she said she's wrong. Like backflips, front flips, like happy dance. Like she said she's wrong. This is like the best day ever. And then not only was she wrong, but me, I'm right. Whoa. Like this is like 10 Super Bowls. She's wrong, I'm right. Whoa. So this is like you really falling on your sword for this and then saying, I'm sorry. So now it's you're taking accountability. So not only did we fix the problem, but believe it or not, so like if you came in here with him, after you say these 3 sentences, you're actually going to go higher than when you started. So maybe you did the needy thing and you lost some points in his eyes. After you do this, you're going to gain some points. Because men will find it wildly sexy if you can be accountable for when maybe you do something wrong. So execute this plan. He's going to be attracted to you again. Now, if you execute this plan and it doesn't work, I am 99.5% certain this guy didn't like you enough anyway. And it's great that he's disappearing. But any guy that's actually into you is going to be on 10x Super Bowl. Like he's been to the Super Bowl 10 times now because of your 3 sentences. He's going to come be so attracted to you. So if you messed up, try this. It's going to be a game changer. Let me know how it goes. I know we're going to crush it. I know we are going to crush it. And if you stayed on this long and you'd like some of my best stuff, Sam run the roulette wheel and get everyone a free gift. You've earned it for staying this long. And leave me a comment if you like my 3 sentences, and just do a quick emoji with the hands up like you like it. And we'll have more videos here and here if you want to watch more. And love all of you. See you next time.